Greetings and welcome to another edition of the Fan Perspective. I am your host, Nathan Lyle, and it is Sunday, and so far this year I had been doing fantasy football every Sunday. My season ended early, so I decided not to do it anymore, and I'm using this Sunday just to tell you what is the schedule is going to be like. This week things are going to be pretty much normal. Monday, NBA Weekly. Tuesday, we're going to have reflections from week 16 and the playoff picture. And then for Thursday, another NBA Weekly. Nothing on Wednesday, nothing on Friday. Saturday, we will have predictions for week 17. Only the teams where a playoff spot is on the line. And then on Sunday, that's when things start to change. Sunday begins a new era. And so starting on Sunday, I'm going to do reflections from the entire 2012 fantasy football season. We'll talk about the things that I predicted right, the things that I got wrong, a few things that surprised me, a few disappointments. That might be like a 10-minute video or so. And then on Monday, which will be December 31st, the last day of the 2012, I'll do reflections from week 17, and we'll do the entire playoff picture, who is playing who and when. And then on Tuesday, January 1st, the first video of 2013, I will be doing a new episode of NBA Weekly. Then on Wednesday, I will do reflections from the entire 2012 NFL season. The things I predicted correctly, the things I got wrong, blah, blah, blah. Then on Thursday, which is January 3rd, that's when the deadline ends for voting on your categories for the fan awards. If you think that this person deserves to win this award, you gotta go on one of the previous videos, leave comments for that, because you really have no idea which one I'm gonna pick. I don't even know which one I'm gonna pick yet. I'm gonna start making my decisions on Thursday, and I'm welcome to anybody's input. So go ahead, leave some comments, send me messages, let me know who you think deserves to win each award. And the only thing I've decided is when I'm going to announce the awards. Here is the schedule that I've got. We'll start because I'm gonna be announcing these on game days. So from now on, for the next week, it'll just be Saturday predicting the Week 17 games, but once playoff starts, I will be predicting games the morning before they are going to be played. So, like if the Broncos play the Colts on Sunday, then I'm going to put up a video Sunday morning talking about the matchup and who I think would come out of the winner. And so So Saturdays and Sundays, I'm also going to be putting up an extra video along with the predictions, talking about who wins each category. And the categories are Comeback Player of the Year, which is going to be announced Saturday, January 5th. And then on Sunday, January 6th, I'm going to announce Defensive Player of the Year. And then on Saturday, January 12th, I'm going to announce Halfback of the Year. And then on Sunday, January 13th, I'm going to announce Receiver of the Year. And then on Saturday, January 19th, Offensive Rookie of the Year. And then Sunday, January 20th, Offensive Player of the Year. And then on Monday, January 21st, just because it's a special occasion, I'm going to be announcing who I feel deserves League MVP, who was the most important and crucial member of a team. So yeah, leave comments to this video, leave comments on the official ballot video, leave comments on all the other videos where I describe each player and why they're nominated for each category. Just let me know who y'all think should get it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna pick whoever I feel like getting. I mean, it's not set in stone yet. I mean, we still got 2 more weeks left to play, and someone could just throw a monkey wrench into the whole thing, have like 3,000 yards the last 2 weeks, and then they kind of have to do it, right? Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy your Sunday. This has been the Fan Perspective. As always, I'm your host, Nathan Lyle. It's almost playoff time.